Pennsylvania, beautiful Pennsylvania. It's a train coming. I hear it rolling down the bend. Hopefully it's the Pennsylvanian. Maybe it is.
Is it coming?
Here we go, guys.
Hey, where's our ratchet?
We are on Climax Road. This one's kind of broken. My ratchet's broken, guys. Mom's got it.
Hey.
Here it is. Pennsylvanian, rolling down the bend. Alright, keep steer clear. That was tricky.
Clear.
That was tricky. down, maybe for another one passing by.
Go up that mountain.
Well, Van Mountain, she's slowing down for another one passing by, perhaps. Picking up some lumber. Wow. Is it gonna stop right there for us? Go whammy, go whammy. What a beauty. think I hear another one. Furthermore, Jack, down the track.
Folks.
Here it comes, guys, the end of the beauty.
Oh my goodness. That's why it was going so fast.
Oh. Proceed with caution. What a beauty. Cool. This is really neat, people. If you ever get a chance to come out to a nice rail fan spot,
I'm off.
I'm impressed. Mom says cut. But got what came for, guys. Beautiful out here in Pennsylvania. I was taking it back. It's wild and wonderful out here in Pennsylvania. I'm surprised. Traffic is really good. People keep steer clear. They don't really ride your butt around here, I noticed. Really polite driving in Pennsylvania. This part of Pennsylvania is polite driving. But depending on where you are, I know that over there in the northern side of Pennsylvania, they got vineyards even. Up on the northeastern side of Pennsylvania is beautiful. But traffic's different everywhere. But over here on these mountain hills in Pennsylvania, I notice people are really polite. They drive well. They keep their distance. And that's really nice. That's a walk to see the signals from here, guys. You gotta go down some ballast. They got some maintenance right-of-way bulldozer on the siding. Oh, I love that sound, that last little air brake right there. Oh, it's a walk to go see those signals. I don't think I'd be a little bit of a trespassing deal, so I'm not gonna go all the way over there. Here comes another one, guys. I knew there'd come a one the opposite direction. Here she comes. Yeah, baby. What a beauty! There she goes. And let me tell you what, guys. Maybe we can lead off this one. See him get on his way. Here we go. That was a beauty, fellas. Middle DPU. It's beautiful sounding. Shh, shh. There she goes. She's ready to go back to the hotel or call it a night. We've done some great rail fanning out here in Pennsylvania today. I'm mellow jello, guys. That was beautiful. Yes. Hey, fun times for the more jack down the track. Alright, you guys, stay tuned for the next episodes. I don't know if this one's gonna go. Mom wants to get on down the road. It's getting kind of dark and cool. And stay cool. Stay calm and take care. Hinder that like button. Hinder that subscribe button. It makes a big difference to me. America in motion for the more jack. Down the track. Woo! Yeah.